Now we'll see what is the effect of certificate of incorporation. That means in case the company is getting certificate of incorporation and its name is entered in the register of the company. So what will be the effect of this in the company? So a company is said to be legally born on the date printed on the certificate of incorporation. That means simply it is a birth certificate of a company. It will be said to be legally born on the date which is printed on the certificate of incorporation. It becomes a legal entity with perpetual succession on such date. It becomes a legal entity. That means it becomes distinct from the owner with the perpetual succession, means with the motive of running for an indefinite period of time. It can legally enter into a valid contract on or after this date. So on or after this date, the company itself can enters into a contract or agreement with the others. And certificate of incorporation is a conclusive proof of legal existence of the company. If somebody questions for the legal existence, then we have to show what? We have to show certificate of incorporation, which is a proof of the legal existence of the company. And few interesting things are there regarding what is the impact of certificate of incorporation. So a person forces the signature of others on MOA. The incorporation was still considered valid. Means even if a person has forged signature, so even if there is a forged signature in MOA and the name of the company has been entered and it has been given certificate of incorporation, after that registrar cannot cancel the certificate. Only through the process of law it can be cancelled, even if some forged signature is there. Now see the next one. Even when a company get registered with the illegal objects, even the objects which was mentioned in the MOA, the object was illegal. Maybe the registrar he was not able to see the object, and after getting the firm registered or company registered, the registrar he was able to know, okay, the object is illegal. So even after that, question nobody can question the registration or the existence of the company. It will be termed as a company because a registrar has already issued certificate of incorporation. On other term, after the getting the name registered, registrar don't have the authority to cancel the registration. For cancelling the registration, again they have to go through the process of law by applying in the court. Okay, so even if the firm or even the company is getting registered with illegal object, the birth of the company cannot be questioned. So in short, once the firm is registered with whatever weaknesses or whatever loopholes or whatever ignorance from the side of registrar, the existence of the company cannot be questioned. If it is registered, that means it has got a status of separate legal entity. And if somebody want to close it, it can be closed afterward only through the process of law. Registrar don't have the authority to cancel the certificate of incorporation.